Hello, my name is Grant Fritchey. I'm the past president. May look like I'm in the jungle, but this is the lovely Redgate Towers. Welcome to the September edition of the Past Connector. We got a lot of content coming up, so let's get going. If you haven't heard, the Past Summit keynote and spotlight sessions have been announced. It's an amazing lineup. We're discussing all the latest stuff on the Microsoft data platform, security, analytics, and empowering diversity in technology. Also, a little reminder, we got to register for the Past Summit before September 13th. Why September 13th? There's a price increase. So please, if you're coming, get registered then. That's not the reason to register. The reason is the keynotes and all that other stuff. But you should get registered sooner and you save some money. Look, applications for the Past Board of Directors election opens on September 23rd, and you can submit until October 4th. If you want to learn more about why you should run for the Past Board, check out Chris Yates' blog post. This is an important part of leadership within our community. Please consider taking this leap and joining the Past Board. It's a lot of fun, it's a lot of hard work, but it's really rewarding. Next up, 24 Hours of Past Summit Preview kicks off September 10th. Register now, join us for this virtual event, and get a sneak peek of some of the top speakers attending Past Summit this year. Also, Past has partnered with Microsoft for Summit to bring you exclusive training, free practice tests, and discount certifications. You can register for an exclusive virtual bootcamp and receive guidance on how to succeed in your exams, including a recap of the content, tips and tricks on how to pass the exams, and the first webinar takes place on September 25th and will cover the Azure Fundamentals Certification. It's that time of year again, and we want to announce the annual Past Membership Survey. It is now open, and I cannot stress enough just how important this is. Your information, the data you provide us, the guidance you give us, is how we make a lot of the decisions we make for the content we're providing and for all the stuff that we do all year round, culminating in Summit. And we need your feedback. So please take advantage of this opportunity. Give us that information. Help us out. Also, by the way, we are giving away 5 gift cards valued at $150 each as an incentive. So there's more than one reason to get in there and fill out that survey. But please, the survey is terribly important. It's that data, and we need your help. So I'm calling to you right now. Help us out. I also want to welcome NetLive Security to the Past Knowledge Partner Program. NetLive has been a proud sponsor of SQL Saturday events for several years, and we're excited that we get to collaborate with them to share resources to help the Past community protect and secure their data. I'm really pleased to announce the Past Summit 2019 All Access winner has been announced. Now, we look forward to welcoming you at the conference, and you're going to have a great time as your first event. This is going to be amazing. So, man, you are so lucky. It's going to be a fantastic thing. Congratulations. Also, this edition of the Past Community Spotlight focuses on professional development. And there's a whole bunch of stuff coming up in and around what you can do at the Past conference, ways that you're going to get in on webinars and all kinds of other stuff, and the changes in Speaker Idle. And so September 12th, make sure you go to this virtual event, find out what's going on with Speaker Idle and some of the stuff coming up in Past. We've got a lot of things coming. It's fantastic. Finally, and this one's very near and dear to my heart, if you have not already done this, nominate the person who's helping you within the organization for the Past Passion Award. The Passion Award is so important. It's a chance to tell the great people that have been helping you that you appreciated, that they've done good things for you. Do a good thing for them. Sign them up for the Passion Award. Take advantage of that. Help them out, because this is how we give back. So that's pretty much it. My name is Grant Fritchey. I'm the Past President.